Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the incessant incidents of fake encounters being carried out by Indian occupational forces in every nook and corner of the territory. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Modi-led Indian fascist regime is pursuing the imperialistic policy to kill the Kashmiris one by one in fake encounters to convert the Muslim-majority Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir into a complete Hindu state. At the same time, he added, non-Kashmiri Hindus are being settled on a large scale to change the demography of the occupied territory. The spokesman deplored that Kashmiris were living a life worse than apartheid under strict military siege, especially after 5th August 2019. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, while addressing a People's Alliance for Gupkar declaration meeting in Srinagar, said that Kashmiris are being silenced through the barrel of the gun. She added that general masses were shell-shocked, journalists were arrested and deprived of getting passports. Mehbooba deplored that a young man who had captured the video of an Indian army vehicle mowing down an elderly woman in Bandipora was booked under Draconian Law Public Safety Act, which speaks volumes of the height of repression in the territory. Meanwhile, Indian troops sealed Diver, Tikipora, Duru, Walphul, Kundas, Lalpura, Swagam and Vover area of Lolab Kupwara to restrict people from expressing solidarity with the family of martyred youth Fayaz Ahmed Sheikh. Fayaz, along with two other youth, Shakil Ahmed and Abdul Hamid, was martyred by Indian troops during a cordon and search operation in Sopore town yesterday. The troops also launched an operation in Malikpora area of Pulwama town. A delegation of Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement visited Shopian to express solidarity with the families of martyred youth Shakil and Abdul Hamid. Family of martyred youth Umar Qayyum staged a protest demonstration at Press Colony in Srinagar on his martyrdom anniversary today. Umar Qayyum had died in police custody on this day in 2010. The occupation authorities have ordered demarcation and verification of Waqf properties across the territory and have asked the divisional commissioners to ensure completion of the process within a month. In yet another case of mob lynching in India, a Muslim youth was dragged by his hair, beaten up, stomped on his neck and his legs were tied up to make him confess to theft in Bareilly area of Uttar Pradesh. He was assaulted for nearly 30 minutes, but nothing could be recovered from him. In Madhya Pradesh, a Muslim man has been booked by the police on charges of sexual harassment 2 days after he was brutally thrashed by Hindu extremists for selling bangles in the Hindu area of in Indore city. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.